Hi guys, I'm Liam from GreenStuff and welcome back to another video. This video will be the second part of the Cult of Possessed. As you can see, this is an incomplete miniature, and today Stefano will do this better, and next he will paint it with the Grimdark style. Let's start. Okay, first of all, now we will do the base of the miniature with these wooden sticks. Let's glue them with the instant glue. That is perfect. Don't worry, he's just doing some texture. To do it better, you can also use the scalpel. Now, let's remove the excess from the miniature. To touch the miniature, we have to do 2 little holes. Yeah, like, oh my gosh. Oh, this is really bad. Never mind, don't worry. Let's use the instant glue. Now he is going to change the arm with this one. Ooh, nice hat. Let us give him a shape. Let's give to it also a texture. Now let's add some details. So that's it. Now it's time for the most important part. Painting. Let us do a grey base. We will make gradients with this blue color. Then we will mix it to another blue color but lighter. And remember, to do this type of effect, use always a dry brush. Mix these two colors together. The left side of the miniature's hat will be painted with a different color. We will make a chessboard pattern. Now let's use a lighter color to make a dirt effect. We'll do his big hands pink. Let's make a gradient with a lighter color. For the wash, use a candy ink. We'll do the other hand with a different color. Now let's paint his beard. To make a rust effect, use this brown color. Let's paint also the other details, like these schools. For his sack, use the hardened leather speed paint. They're so useful, aren't they? Now it's time to paint this miniature with the Grimdark style. It has become a mass surprise, hasn't it? Let's finish to paint the last parts. The Grimdark side gives the miniature a dirty effect, as if it has emerged from a mud puddle or even from a war. It often tends to cover colors, but as you can see, at the same time it gives a glossy effect of brownish shades that makes the miniature unique and much more realistic. Last thing, Stefano is using this shiny product to accentuate the glossy effect. We hope you liked our video, and we hope also that you liked the miniature with this Grimdark effect. This is the end of our video. Please like if you liked the video and subscribe, and comment below to say us what you think about this miniature. If you want, share the link in the description and the video to all of your friends. And see you next time. Bye bye.